In this video, we're going to review how to add numbers that are written in scientific notation. And the first thing we need to review again, that means they have to have the same power of 10 when we start. So if we look at this first problem, we have a decimal number and a number in scientific notation. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this number in scientific notation and see where that gets us. So I'm going to write a one-digit number between 1 and 9, 4.7 times 10, and then I'm going to count how many steps does it take to move the decimal from here to between the 4 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, it's important that you count the zeros, but also any non-zero digits between where the decimal was and where it is now. This is a decimal number. I was moving the decimal to the right, so that means this is going to be a -6. Now, if I look at my other number, it already is written as a power of -6. So that means that I can line these up and add without changing anything. So this is plus 8.348 times 10 to the -6. And these would be zeros. So 8, 4, 7 plus 3 is 10. 4 plus 8 plus 1 is 13.048. And for right now, I'm going to keep that power of 10 to the -6. Now, when I look at this, I see that this is not correct scientific notation form, and I have to move the decimal one place to the left. So I'm going to rewrite it 1.3048 times 10. And as I can see up here on my number line, if I was at -6 and I move one place to the left with my decimal, that would now put me at 10 to the -5. And that would be my final answer in scientific notation. The second example, 4.5 times 10 to the 3 plus 2.2 times 10 to the 2. These are both written in scientific notation, but this one is not the same as that one. So again, I'm going to move my decimal. I'm going to make this one different. I'm going to make it larger, a larger power of 10 to match the 10 to the power of 3 over there. So that means if I made my exponent greater, I need to move my decimal to the left. So I could rewrite this as 4.5 times 10 to the third plus, now my decimal has moved over here, so I have 0.22 times 10 to the third. I add these together, 2, 7, 4, bring my decimal straight down, 4.72 times 10 to the 3. I keep the power of 10 the same. This one is one digit. Everything is in the correct format, so that is my final answer.